CIET NCERT presents audio book Bansuri, textbook of arts for grade 5.
Page number 153. Chapter 17, Dances of My Nation. At the top left corner of the page is the image of the hand gestures. On the top right corner of the page is given the QR code, which can be scanned for more information related to this chapter. India has many dance forms across the country. Every region has more than one dance form. Some of them are traditional, some folk, some ritualistic. You have also learned this in your textbook, The World Around Us. Let us get a visual exposure of dance forms of India through pictures, calendars, videos and whatever other forms you can bring in to show the class. Activity 17.1, My Dance Collage. Collect pictures of dances and paste it or draw on this page. Imitate the postures of the dances in the pictures you have shared above. Page number 154. Activity 17.2. Rhythmic diversity of my dance. Connect dances with the geographical location and fill in the blanks in the India map according to the states. In the middle of this page is given the map of India with names of all the states. On both sides are given images of various dance forms of India. Can we identify to which state these dance forms belong? The first image on top left corner of the page is the image of a dance form from Jammu and Kashmir. Below this is the image of a dance form from Punjab. Beside it is the image of a dance form from Rajasthan. At the bottom left of the page is the image of bamboo dance from Mizoram. On the right side of the page, 3 more images of dances are given. The first one is from Karnataka. Below that is the dance form from Odisha. And below that is the dance form from Maharashtra. Page number 155. Activity 17.3. Match the dances with their states. Prepare a spinning wheel with an arrow and write the names of dances from different regions on the wheel. Spin the wheel and when it stops, identify the region corresponding to the dance under the arrow. In the image attached is given a spinning wheel. On this are written the names of various dance forms of India. Can you identify their states? The dance forms on the spinning wheel are Bhangra, Chapeli, Rauf, Yakshagan, Kathakali, Chhau, Jhumar, Bihu, Lavani, Garba and Ghumar. Activity 17.4. Uniting with my dance. Watch the video of Mile Sur Mera Tumhara from the Prasar Bharati archives online. Identify the various arm movements and dance steps that you have learnt earlier. Now, create or compose your dance to the song with your choice of dance styles, adding all the elements learnt earlier. See if you can include one step and one arm movement of your choice from the dances that you have watched in the video. In the image below are the performers of various traditional dances of India, like Mohiniyattam, Odissi, Kuchipudi, Bharatnatyam, etc. Page number 156. I celebrate my dance. Celebrations make everyone feel happy and excited. There are many ways to celebrate different situations and events. Have you ever celebrated occasions with special dances for national festivals? It is likely that you have celebrated these occasions with your family, relatives, or friends. Have you observed that these celebrations are incomplete without dance? Dance brings life to each and every movement or situation. It has the power to bring people together regardless of age. In the image given below, students are dancing on a patriotic song of India. How do we know that? They all are dressed in the tricolor, which is our national flag. Activity 17.5 Patriotic Dance. Let us get back to another celebratory dance. In this activity, you are celebrating our national festivals by expressing salutation and love for the country. Through the art of dance, you can beautifully convey your emotions. Divide the class into 3 or 4 groups. Let each group select one stanza from the song. Now, come together as a group and identify appropriate hand gestures and movements for the song. Finally, add different steps to match the beats of the song. Play the song and each group will present their chosen stanza, coming together to perform the entire dance. For example, Vande Mataram or C. Subramania Bharati's Parukule Nalanadu or a patriotic song in your regional language. Page number 157. Formative Assessment. Chapter 17 Dances of My Nation. The table mentions the curricular goals, competencies and learning outcomes to be assessed by teacher and self. Curricular Goal 1, Competency 1.2, Learning Outcome, Initiative and effort given to know and learn various dance forms. Curricular Goal 2, Competency 1.2, Learning Outcome, collaboratively put together and perform a patriotic dance. Curricular Goal 2, Competency 2.2, enthusiastically learns the dances from various regions. All the learning outcomes to be assessed by both the teacher and self. Teacher's observation to be noted in the lines given below. Other comments also to be noted in the space given. The chapter ends here.
Basuri, you were just listening to this audiobook, Textbook of Arts for Grade 5. Narration Tripti Upadhyay. Sound recordist Virendra Rawat. Assistance in production Surendra Kumar. Directed and produced by Vimalesh Chaudhary. This audiobook is brought to you by CIET NCERT, New Delhi, India.